She's now General Counsel for the NAACP. Kristen Clark, welcome to the Weekend Show.
Thank you for having me.
A turbulent time these last few days, and certainly a very busy one for you. This is after the Supreme Court on Wednesday weakened a landmark civil rights era law that has increased minority representation in Congress and elsewhere, striking down a majority black congressional district in Louisiana and opening the door for more redistricting across the country that could aid Republican efforts to control the House. And there is a scram going on in Louisiana to redraw maps, even just as we speak. Firstly, let me just ask you, how did you feel when this ruling came down? Were you expecting it?
So I was at the Supreme Court when the ruling dropped. There was actually another high stakes case being heard yesterday. My heart dropped. This is devastating. This is literally the most important civil rights law that our Congress has ever passed. What the court did yesterday truly put the death knell in the Voting Rights Act, and it's unleashing chaos, as we are already starting to see, and as you know, in Louisiana. There is an election underway, and the governor is now moving to suspend the election. We saw in Florida yesterday that they raced forward with gerrymandered maps, and it's a dark day in American democracy. It's a really dark day. What the Voting Rights Act has done, it's really just helped to check some of the discrimination that we still see in our elections. And it's not just redistricting. We've seen states do things like, cut access to mail voting or reduce early voting opportunities in response to voters actually going out and availing themselves of the opportunity to have their voices heard in that way. And we've brought lawsuits, and we've seen lawsuits where they sometimes do this with almost surgical precision. North Carolina is one place. You had a lot of faith